is novel. Novel is a long work of narrative fiction. Yes, friends, narrative fiction is a thing in which there is a kind of story that is connected to one another. One story is connected to another story. This is called narrative fiction, written in prose form, which is typically published as a book. The present English word for a long work of prose fiction derives from Italian novella for new. Yes, means yes friends, इटालियन नोवेला वर्ड से नॉवेल वर्ड जो है डिराइव्ड हुआ है, जिसका इंग्लिश में मीनिंग होता है न्यू, न्यूज और शॉर्ट स्टोरी ऑफ समथिंग न्यू. Novel is an invented prose narrative of considerable length. Yes, friends, it has certain length, certain complexity, and it deals with imaginative things. It deals with fictional things. It deals with unreal things. जो unreal things होती हैं, चीज़ें होती हैं, जो human experiences होते हैं, ये उससे deals करते हैं. और ये certain इनमें कुछ complexity होती है, and it has certain length इसमें होता है, through a connected sequence of event or stories involving a group of person or in a specific setting. Yes, friends, setting, you will see that setting, sequence of events or stories, human experiences, imaginative things, considerable length and certain complexity, all are required to write a novel. So these things are, novel is a prose narrative work, एक prose narrative work है, form है, जिस जो एक considerable length, certain length में होनी चाहिए, and it has certain complexity. Complexity होनी चाहिए means there is some kinds of sequences that have the complex sequences in novel, and it has unreal things, it has imaginative things with human experiences, and also connected sequences, connected events must be there, involving in a group which, and connected sequences in which groups of people are involved in a specific setting or in a specific place. Next, now we will discuss main event elements of in novel. What elements are required to write a novel? We will discuss that here. First, plot. Yes, friends, plot is very important thing. Writing a story or novel or drama, if you are writing anything, then plot is required. What is the subject matter story that is required? Plot is actually a story around which the entire book is based. Yes, entire character, entire setting, entire sequence of stories, sequence of events, that is called plot. A plot should have a very clear beginning, middle and end. Yes, friends, this thing is also important. It has a story, has a beginning, middle and end. What is happening, that is the that should be very neat and clear, very crystal clear in a story, that is called plot. Next we have character. Character is also very important element to write a novel. Character are the individuals that the story is about. Yes, what the story is about, a person or a nature of a man or a woman or a individual, that is called characters involved in a story or in a novel. Next, we have conflict, the struggle between opposing forces in the story. Yes, means protagonist, antagonist, or some bad elements in the novel, or some good elements in the novel, good character in the novel, and bad character in the novel. That is called conflict. The struggle between them is called conflict in a story, in a novel. Conflict provide interest and suspense. Yes, when character has a kind of conflict between them, then it arouses some kinds of interest in the mind of the people or mind of the readers, and also it creates suspense. Next we have setting. The setting is the location of the action, where the exactly the action is taking place, that is called setting. Location of the action is called setting. That's why setting, conflict, characters, plot and considerable length, that already I have told you, जैसे मैंने पहले भी बात कर ली है इस चीज के लिए, complexity of the individuals, of the characters and human imaginative things, that all are required to write a novel or in a novel. Next we have theme, the central idea in the story or novel. What the story is all about, that is called theme. क्या मेन पॉइंट है स्टोरी का, नॉवल का? What is the subject matter of the novel, that is called the theme. And these all things are the elements which is very much required to write a novel, and that is necessary in novel. वो important है, plot, character, conflict, setting and themes, these all are the topmost, and these are all are the required elements in a novel. Next, discuss the types of novel. Let's discuss what types of novel, and here very few we are going to discuss here, and we will discuss that in by name, and later on in our coming videos we will discuss each and every types of novel in a details way. The first we have the prose romance. Next we have the realistic fiction and the gothic fiction, gothic novel. These are the types of the novel: the prose romance, realistic fiction, and the gothic fiction, gothic novel. Next, the picaresque novel, epistolary novel, जो उसमें जो लेटर के फॉर्म में लिखा जाता है. पिकरिस्ट नॉवल इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ नॉवल जिसमें जो हीरो होता है वो इलिटरेट रो, और it is a story of a person, of a man who travel from, who go from one place to another place. There is no certain place which is uh, taken place by him. And domestic novels, which is based on the domestic stories, and which is based on the domestic subject matter. The regional novel, yes, obviously regional novel is based on a certain area of a place, to certain area. Historical novel related to the historical event and that has happened in history. And also the psychological novels. These are all are the types of the novel which we will discuss that in detail. Here we had discussed the types of the novel in a very brief way. Obviously in our coming videos we will discuss that in details. And till then, keep connecting England Zone, and please watch out the another videos of this channel, Englet Zone. You will get more important videos, interesting videos, informative videos here on this channel. Till then, keep smiling, and thank you very much for watching this.